Hey everyone, my name is Ronnie. I'm with Happy Trailers. Behind me is the GoodGuys DG7 model, brand new for this year, and I'm gonna show you why I believe this is the best value in 14-foot dump trailers today. The GoodGuys DG7 is an I-beam frame dump trailer, and that's one of the things that really sets it apart from other dump trailers at this price point. You'll notice that this 8-inch I-beam is a rolled I-beam that stretches from the tongue all the way back along the frame, so you don't have a fish plate or stitched together I-beam that is actually a common failure point on other designs. Unlike some of the trailers at this price point, this trailer comes standard with a tarp, and you're gonna need that for many places that you unload. The DG7 features 10-gauge sides and a 10-gauge floor, and it has the heavy-duty rugged rail. Next, we'll take a look inside the toolbox. But before we do that, I wanted to point out this electrical plug over here where you can plug in an extension cord and get your battery charged and ready to go for a heavy day of hauling. Inside the toolbox, you can see that you can check your battery level using this little button right here. It'll give you a grade from poor to good. And I also want to point out that this is a KTI hydraulic pump, which is a great hydraulic pump that we've been very successful with for many years. And one of the standout features of this trailer is a 3-button remote. So you got power up, power down, which is normal, but then we also have a gravity down, which is a great standard feature to have on this trailer. The DG7 is perfect for hauling gravel, sand, shingles, construction debris, so it can be used for roofing, construction, landscaping, you name it, this trailer can do it. This trailer is powder coated top to bottom and comes with a scissor hoist and Lippert axles, and these axles have a 6-year warranty on them. The DG7 comes with a split gate, and it also comes with the spreader function. Another great thing about the DG7 that really makes this a value-oriented trailer is the fact that it already comes with ramps. You don't have to pay extra for these. A common thing I've seen with dump trailers is door holdbacks that don't hold the door back. This can cause damage to your gate, but this trailer makes it really easy to secure your gate when you're dumping your load. This trailer also comes standard with a spare tire carrier. So up front, we have a 2 5/16 Demco coupler. Now, if you've never used a Demco before, this is actually the closed position. When you want to hook this trailer up to your truck, you can actually leave the coupler in the closed position, and as it's coming down, it's automatically going to open up and lock onto the ball. So it's just one less step for you to worry about, making it easy to hook onto this trailer. Other nice little things about this trailer, you'll see the laser cut holes for your safety chains, and you have a all-weather wiring harness that's going to remain flexible even in cold temperatures. The GoodGuys DG7 is available for only $8,299 at any one of our 12 Happy Trailers locations across Texas and Oklahoma. Visit us online at happytrailers.com.